Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. We got the full spoilers for the Ipsy October Ultimate GlamBag Plus bag. So we'll jump into those in just a minute. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my Ipsy Plus full spoilers for October. Congratulations, Helena Lopez. Helena says, hello, I'm first. I love you, Mandy. Have a great day. Keep doing what you love. P.S. Thank you for the shout out. Well, you're more than welcome, Helena, and thank you so much. I appreciate you having your bell on, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end, guys, when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright, guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. Now, like I said, when I do full spoilers like this, I'm just popping the products up there for y'all to see. I'm not really naming them off because there's always so many of them, too many of them to name. But these are the options. These are what you might be getting if you get the ultimate bag. But a lot of people already know what they got. So if you already know what you're getting in your ultimate box or your standard or plus or whichever one you're getting, let us know in the comments what products you guys are getting this month. And you know, they teamed up with Betty Boop this October. So we're getting Betty Boop collab makeup. We're getting Betty Boop bags. Now, the Betty Boop bag for this one, for the ultimate, is going to be the black bag with like little devil tail on it. And then the standard Ipsy is the one with the Betty Boop face. But in this one, you'll be getting that black bag. I like that black one better than the other one for some reason. As soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep y'all updated. I always keep y'all in the loop. Now, I've already got November's bag linked down below if you want to go check that out. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out as well. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Brandon Britt. Brandon Britt says, dang it, I was close. Well, guess what? Y'all got it anyways. I picked your comment, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. Now, and guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Why don't you tell me that in the comments? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. Got to hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You don't miss no more spoilers. You'll be on top of everything. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.